the Black+Decker 1350 watt heat gun, the HG1300. It has dual temperature setting on your switch, so it has a high and low, and also includes a stand, so that way you can put it on the table and do your work above it. Comes with multiple attachments, and this is the US version. I use this to help wrap motorcycles and various vehicles. It conveniently helps dry paint much faster. It also helps remove labels, stickers, and automotive wrap. This heat gun is 350 watts, 120 volts, and it reaches temperatures from 750 to 1000 degrees Fahrenheit, which includes a work stand on the end of the handle so you can cool off or work from above. It includes a power cord that is about 6 feet long, weighs a little over 1 pound. It's engineered to operate at extremely high temperatures. It helps peel off stickers, removes old paint, can thaw frozen pipes, dry freshly painted objects, loosen bolts and nuts, applying and removing vinyl on vehicles. The handle grip feels pretty comfortable. Now let's have a closer look at the attachments that are included. If this video was helpful and vibe with you, please visit our product link below in our description for the product information. Also, comment, like, follow, and subscribe for more product videos that we'll be sharing.